In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install the Dawn theme on your Shopify store. Whether you're setting up a new store or refreshing the look of an existing one, choosing the right theme is key to creating a visually appealing and user-friendly experience for your customers. Let's dive in and get started on bringing the clean and modern aesthetics of the Dawn theme to your storefront. First, let's head over to your Shopify admin panel. When you're there, look towards the left side of your screen where you'll see the online store option. Clicking on this will reveal a drop-down menu. This menu is your gateway to customizing the look and feel of your store, so it's an important place to be familiar with as you work on your site. Within this drop-down, you'll notice an option labeled Themes. Selecting it will guide you to a page where you can manage the themes you currently have on your store. Here, you'll be able to add new themes and make changes to your existing ones. To bring the Dawn theme into your store, we need to import it first. Look to the top right of your screen for a button that says Import Theme. This is the feature that allows us to add new themes from the Shopify theme store. By clicking on this button, you will see an option that says Visit Theme Store. This is where you get access to a variety of themes available for Shopify users, including Dawn. Once you've landed on the Shopify theme store, the next step is to find the Dawn theme. You can do this by using the search feature. Simply type Dawn into the search bar and it should appear in your search results. When you see the Dawn theme, click on it to open its detail page. On the thematic page, you should see an Add button. Clicking this button will import the Dawn theme into your Shopify account. It's a straightforward step, and once it's completed, the Dawn theme will be ready for you to use. Now, to start using the Dawn theme on your Shopify store, head back to the Online Store option in the left panel and select Themes once more. Here, you'll see the list of themes available to your store, including the newly imported Dawn theme. To apply it, all you need to do is locate the Dawn theme and hit the Publish button. This action makes it the active theme on your store, so your customers will see this fresh new look when they visit. And there you have it. The Dawn theme is now live on your Shopify store. Enjoy the modern and clean design aesthetic that it brings, helping to create an inviting and seamless experience for all your visitors. Thank you for following along, and happy selling.